Do you sometimes find it difficult to construct a simple sentence in IsiZulu? Well, here is a fun way of learning how to construct a sentence on your own at home, in the classroom, or in the exam room. We will be using Ntombi Mota's sentence construction shapes to illustrate how to construct a simple sentence. Before we do that, let us indicate the shapes, which are oval, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, and octagon. For the purposes of simplifying this exercise and making it easier to remember, we will use shapes and their associated colors throughout our sentence construction framework. The oval shape represents the subject. The square represents the describing words. The circle represents subject concord. The rectangle represents the type of stems. The triangle shape represents the adjunct. The triangle shape represents the objects, which has the same properties of the subject. The octagon shape represents conjunctions. It is good to note that after each conjunction, the pattern starts all over again. Here is an example to clarify the frameworks we have created without the use of the conjunction. Umama wami usebenza eThekwini. The subject is umama. The describing word is wami. The subject concord is u. The type of stem is sebenza. The adjunct is eThekwini. Umama wami usebenza eThekwini. Just like any other language, IsiZulu has parts of speech that make up a sentence. They are: number 1, subject, which are nouns, derivatives, and pronouns. Within pronouns, we have absolute pronouns, quantitative pronouns, as well as demonstrative pronouns. Parts of speech which make up describing words are possessives, adjectives, relatives, and enumeratives. 2. Then we have subject concords, which are derived from the subject itself. 3. The parts of speech that make up types of stems are verbs, stative verbs, as well as non-verbs. 4. The parts of speech that make up an adjunct are adverbs, objects, as well as locatives. 5. The parts of speech that make up conjunctions are basic conjunctions, subjunctives, as well as participials. Now, here is the framework for constructing a simple sentence in IsiZulu using Ntombi Mota's sentence construction shapes. Let us go back to our initial example of a basic sentence, but this time with the use of a conjunction which will add another sentence. Umama wami usebenza eThekwini, kodwa umama kaSipho usebenza eGoli. The subjects are umama in both sentences. The describing words are wami and kaSipho. The subject concords are u for both subjects. The types of stems are sebenza for both sentences. The adjuncts are eThekwini and eGoli. The conjunction is kodwa. Umama wami usebenza eThekwini, kodwa ubaba kaSipho usebenza eGoli. That's it for today's lesson on how to construct a simple sentence using Ntombi Mota's sentence construction shapes. I hope this has helped. Be on the lookout for our in-depth videos on the various components of sentence construction, which dives deeper into each individual component. That's it from the Ntokosi team. See you soon.